Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for a dog. First, let's cover the essentials. A healthy diet is crucial, so choose high-quality food appropriate for their life stage, whether they are a playful puppy or a wise senior. Daily walks or playtime, totaling at least 30 to 60 minutes, are vital for their well-being. Remember to visit the vet annually for vaccinations and health screenings. Consistent positive reinforcement training builds a strong bond and good behavior. Proper nutrition is fundamental for your dog's health. Select a premium dog food that meets their specific dietary needs, considering factors like breed size and activity level. It's important to measure out their meals. For example, a small dog might need only 1 cup per day, while a large dog could require 3 or 4 cups. Always ensure they have constant access to fresh, clean water. Remember, certain human foods like chocolate or grapes are dangerous and should never be given. Beyond physical health, mental stimulation is equally important for a happy dog. Aim for at least 30 to 60 minutes of exercise daily, which could be a brisk walk, a game of fetch, or a run in a secure area. Offer a variety of toys to keep them engaged and prevent boredom, which can lead to unwanted behaviors. Regular training sessions, even just 5 to 10 minutes a day, help keep their minds sharp. Puzzle feeders are also excellent for mental enrichment. Maintaining your dog's hygiene and health involves regular grooming and vet care. Brushing their coat a few times a week helps keep it healthy and minimizes shedding. Bathing every 4 to 6 weeks, or when they get particularly dirty, is generally sufficient. Don't forget nail trims, usually every 3 to 4 weeks, to prevent discomfort. Most importantly, annual visits to the veterinarian are crucial for preventative care, ensuring they receive necessary vaccinations and health screenings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.